10 round mag, and then the Mossberg 702 Plinkster 25 round mag, which I think will go in here. So we'll find out. Alright everyone, welcome back. I might do a voiceover on this. Alright. I'm going to shoot the what is this thing? Taurus THC? Yeah, TH9C. First shot. I'm ready. Upper right circle. I'm just going to sight it on that. I want to see where it goes. Alright, shoots a little low. Maybe it's just my aiming. I'll try it again here. Okay. I'm at 7 yards, if you all want to know. Alright, that's my first grouping.
Everything okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
just checking.
Okay, that's my first grouping. And I'm shooting for the 17 round. And I'm going to shoot the left side. Let's see how it goes. Now this is the extended magazine here, so I'm going to shoot for it. Oh, that was way off. I'm shooting for the left side. Okay, something's wrong. Alright, there we go. Must have pulled it. Alright. When I grab this little piece on the bottom, it seems to wiggle too much. And I think so the grip makes a difference. Alright, so that's my grouping. That's my grouping right there on the 13 rounds and on the 17th round. I actually don't like this extended. It's too loose. I don't know. I can't grip the handle that well. I can't grip the handle that well when I have the extended piece on. I think I shoot way better with this. Anyways, so let me shoot another target. Oh my god, thing dried out. All right, let's put it back out there. See how close I get. Doesn't click or anything. Alright, here we go. I'm only using the 13. I don't like the 17 round magazine. Okay, here we go. Low. Alright, there's that. There you go. It's not a bad gun. Use the, I think if you use this magazine, it works a lot better. I'm going to try one more time. Okay, everybody, I'm reloaded. This is a little bit beyond 15 yards. I'm going to go with the round because I like the grip a lot better. And I'm going for the middle target. No, actually, I'm going to go the bottom target. I'm going to go on the right side first, and then I'm going to do the left side, 17 round. Okay. Alright, I got a 17 round. This little piece right here. The left side. Let's see how it goes. Noise, no nothing. This time I'm gonna grip it all the way up here. I actually don't feel anything on the pinky because it's so loose. So let's see what I do. Oh, I can do this stuff here. Actually, I don't like this at all. It's way loose, and I think he can get a good grip on it. Anyways, that's that. I got a little bit more ammo left. I'm gonna go ahead and just shoot the target all the way down. I'm gonna use this. I prefer this. I'll probably do a couple of these. I'll probably just do one more. Let's just have some fun. No clicking noise, just goes in. I have about 100 rounds. I probably shot about 80. Let's see how this goes. I'm shooting for the middle target. Really low. Alright. Anyways, there you go. Alright everybody, I'm back. This time I got I have the Rossi SR22. Okay. 10 round mag. And then the Mossberg 702 Plinkster 25 round mag, which I think will go in here. So we'll find out. I target right there. I'm going to shoot the top right target with the 10 round first. Safety's off. Alright, let's, I didn't adjust the sights yet, how well it is. At 11 yards, it's right on. Right on. Alright. 7 yards, it's right on. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, I'm going to shoot the left target. And I'm going to shoot the left target with the 25 round. It did open. Last bolt did open. I'm going to lock it. Take it out. Empty. No misfire. And put the 30 round in. Okay, 25 round. Looks like it went in. Shoot the left target now. Okay, well, that was fun. Fun gun. This is really fun. Wow. This is a freebie from Academy Sports, and I'm liking it. I'm going to shoot a lot with this today. Okay, let's take it downrange here. Let's see here. This works. Okay, first of all, let me put that open. And there we go. Okay. Now you get to watch me load this thing. Alright, now you get to feed Mossberg comes with a little loader. Works with the works with this as well. Let's get to it. I should be able to do one more. That should show a little. That's it. It's 25. Okay, I'm going to shoot the bottom right with the 10 round magazine here. All right, bottom right. There you go. That usually helps. Alright, so it's a little low. Further you go away, I guess. Let's try the 25 round. There we go. Okay, that was tremendously fun. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had fun with this.